Today, we're witnessing something extraordinary at the Marshall Center for Advanced Careers and Alief. Dozens of talented young women from around the state of Texas have gathered to showcase their skills, prove their resilience, and forge their futures.
Good morning. My name is Erica Santian. I am the CTE Program Manager here in Alief ISD over our amazing welding department. This competition consists of all females that are leading the way in a male-dominated industry. So we are very excited to have them here today. We have students here from all over the state, and we have vendors from all over that are in the welding industry. We have over 16 sponsors here today, and we're just very appreciative of everyone that's here that came to put this together, including our AV program. We're just very grateful for this very exciting day that we have.
From traditional welding techniques to the cutting-edge underwater welding and precision fuel cutting, these competitors are demonstrating mastery across multiple disciplines.
My name is John Paul. I'm one of the welding instructors at the Marshall Center for Advanced Careers. This year we are having our first annual Forge Her Future all-girl welding contest. We have 165 girls coming from 46 different schools around the state of Texas. We're looking forward to a great competition. Thank you.
Beyond welding, this represents a true collaborative effort with Alief's career and technical education programs, including culinary, agriculture, business, fashion design, and audio-video production, all celebrating the skilled trades and the bright futures they represent.
So all the girls, they had a chance to compete and earn certifications in D1.1 and AWS D9.1. We had $31,000 worth of scholarships that were donated from Precision Welding Academy, ARC Labs, the Ocean Corporation, and Lincoln Tech.
These young women are breaking barriers, building skills, earning certifications, and creating opportunities for themselves in careers that are in demand, rewarding, and absolutely essential to our economy. They're not just competing today, they're welding together a future of full possibility.
I won a AWS D9.1 certification. I did 3F, which is vertical welding.
What did you gain from it?
More practice and getting better at it.
Stay focused, especially at the young age. I know these are high school kids. It's very easy to stray and try to follow those friends. But remain focused on your future, and it definitely, I can say from experience, is being a welder out in the field, it definitely pays off in the end.
This is the all-girls high school welding competition at Alief ISD, where talent, determination, and opportunity converge.